Where do you live? Where do you live? तुम कहाँ रहते हो? Can you give me a hand? Can you give me a hand? क्या तुम मेरी मदद कर सकते हो? What's the matter? What's the matter? क्या मामला है? Why did you do that? Why did you do that? तुमने ऐसा क्यों किया? Who's there? Who's there? वहाँ कौन है? Are you ready? Are you ready? क्या तुम तैयार हो? Do you know her? Do you know her? क्या तुम उसे जानते हो? How can I help you? How can I help you? मैं तुम्हारी क्या मदद कर सकती हूँ? Why are you late? Why are you late? तुम्हें देर क्यों हुई? Do you need anything? Do you need anything? क्या आपको किसी चीज़ की ज़रूरत है? Are you free? Are you free? क्या तुम फारिग हो? Why did you lie? Why did you lie? तुमने झूठ क्यों बोला? How did you get here? How did you get here? तुम यहाँ कैसे आए? Why are you so sad? Why are you so sad? तुम इतने उदास क्यों हो? Is that your brother? Is that your brother? क्या वो तुम्हारा भाई है? Do you like Italian food? Do you like Italian food? क्या तुम्हें इतालवी खाना पसंद है? Do you want to go? Do you want to go? क्या तुम जाना चाहते हो? Why are you chasing me? Why are you chasing me? तुम मेरा पीछा क्यों कर रहे हो? Are you feeling better? Are you feeling better? क्या तुम बेहतर महसूस कर रहे हो? How long did you stay there? How long did you stay there? तुम वहाँ कितनी देर ठहरे? Is that my fault? Is that my fault? क्या ये मेरी गलती है? Why did not you tell me? Why did not you tell me? तुमने मुझे क्यों नहीं बताया? Will you wait for me? Will you wait for me? क्या तुम मेरा इंतज़ार करोगे? Have you seen my shoes anywhere? Have you seen my shoes anywhere? क्या तुमने मेरे जूते कहीं देखे हैं? मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ कि हमारी ये वीडियो आपको पसंद ज़रूर आई होगी।